Need subtitles during your Zoom meetings? Live captions can make conversations easier to follow, improve accessibility, and help in noisy environments. In this tutorial, I'll show you how to enable Zoom captions in 2026. So let's get started. First, make sure you're using the latest version of the Zoom Workplace app. Keeping Zoom updated ensures you have access to the newest accessibility features and improvements. If you're using an older version, some caption options may look a little different or may not be available. Next, join a Zoom meeting or start your own meeting. Live captions are only available while you're inside an active meeting. Yeah, some organizations may also manage caption settings for their users. If you don't see the option, click the More button to check for additional meeting controls. On the meeting toolbar, click the Show Captions or CC button. If captions are available for the meeting, Zoom will begin displaying live captions near the bottom of the meeting window. You can customize the caption experience by opening the caption settings. Depending on your Zoom version, you may be able to adjust the caption size, move the caption window, or change other accessibility preferences. Choosing a comfortable text size makes captions much easier to read during longer meetings. If captions don't appear, the meeting host may need to enable them first, or your organization settings may limit the feature. In that case, you can ask the host to turn on captions for everyone. Whether captions are available can depend on the meeting settings and account configuration. Once captions are enabled, they'll continue updating automatically as people speak. You can leave them on throughout the meeting or turn them off whenever you no longer need them. So you're now ready to enjoy a more accessible Zoom meeting experience. And that's how to enable Zoom captions. Whether you're improving accessibility, following along in a noisy place, or simply prefer reading what's being said, live captions are a helpful feature. Keeping Zoom updated helps ensure you always have access to the latest caption improvements. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.